Welcome back. I am Toy Lover, if you don't know, or Love Bunny. But you can call me either one, or you can just call me Bethany, because that's my real name. And if you are new to my channel, hi. And do you see that subscriber count down there? Okay, the first 5 people to subscribe get a shout out on this video. And let's see how many views we can get this up to and how many likes. Are you ready? Okay, good. So today's video is an LPS collection and a Barbie collection. Well, it's basically just a toy collection. So let's get started. First, let me gather up all the stuff. And I'm also going to do all my accessories for my Barbies, because I have a couple of accessories for my Barbies. I don't have that many Barbies, but... In no way am I trying to brag. I just really wanted to do this video for you guys. If I get some views. So first we're going to start with the LPS. So first we have Maria Jones. She is a very bossy poodle. And then, okay, so we're just going to split these up to piles real quick. So like dogs, cats, and yeah, you'll see. A little bit more. We'll save the little ones for last. And then ones that don't have a home yet, like better random flying animals. I think that's basically it, but I'll put this with the bigger ones. So first we're going to start with the dog pile. So first we have this poodle, which I have these 4 that aren't real LPS. Very mad. But first we have this poodle. Oh, Peanut, I like your hair.
Thank you.
Look, come here. Be in my video so they can see your hair.
Yeah.
Up and down.
Hold up.
Anyways, let's just get on with this video. So, yeah, first we have this poodle. Sorry for that background noise. Peanut, come here. That's his awesome hair.
Yeah, Mom.
I'll be right back. Back with the video. So, yeah, I showed you the poodle. So, here's a little close up. Go back in the box. Let me round up all the little ones. The little ones just go in the pile together. I'll show you the little ones last. Then we have another poodle. She's another bossy one. And here she is. Then we have this one. Now we have this one and this one. And those are most of the fake ones. We have this one. Then we have this one. He's really cute. His name is Dash. I love him so much. These 2 are like the perfect couple. They're the perfect size. I love this couple. If they were a real life couple, that would be amazing. And then her name is Sierra. And then let's go on to our flying animals. So first we have Liliana. She's my ladybug. And then Miss Luigi. And then Miss Sahara. Let's move on to the random.
Bye, Beth. Love you. Bye, Mama.
Love you.
You too.
Hey, come here.
Sure.
Real quick. Look, I'm making a video.
Hey, I'm Kennedy. But he's the coolest.
Okay, bye-bye. That's my brother. Comment down below if you have siblings. Yeah, comment down below. Comment down below some of their names, their ages, and how many you have. I have a lot. Right here is Mrs. Well, she's not, we don't really call her anything. We just call her the bus driver. This random ugly girl. Emerald, Miss Shelley, and Mr. Buffoon. Let's get on to the kitties. So the kitties are Mrs. Tigger. I call her Tigger instead of Tiger. And then Maria, Elena, my favorite LPS that I have, her name's Sierra. Oh, wait, no. She's Gracie. And then this is Emily. And then all the little ones, I'll just give you like little looks. No, I didn't. I just picked my nose. Guys, and I know I'm one of the coolest, but you guys are pretty cool too. And then this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. So now that we're done with the LS. Oh, here's a little accessory. Let's get on to the Barbies! So, ow, my hand. First, I just have a car. Just kidding, it's like one of the worst Barbie cars ever because it's an old one. It's a very old one. I want to give it a makeover soon. It really needs a makeover. But I like the seats. The seats are nice. And then the two Mean Girls. The reason I chose these two for the Mean Girls is because they're sisters and they look like Mean Girls, and their names are Tiffany and Amber Alert. Amber Alert. Hi, Renee, baby. Oh, guys, I'm going to take you guys to see fireworks right here. Then we have Princess Jasmine. Ah! And then Sabri. I know that's a really weird name, Sabri. And then, best of all, is the roller skating dolly. Ooh, no, my nose itched. Ooh. Her skates light up. You can find her at Target or Kroger. And she has this really awesome helmet and pink heels, and she's just really awesome. And then here's how you make her spin. Or you can just keep it regular and just go like push her. And I love her. Her name is Jabri. Sabri and Jabri. They are actually best friends. And I thought, wait, why not have them matching names? And then Jasmine is also one of the best friends. These three are best friends. And then Tiffany and Amber. So thank you guys so much for watching. Oh wow, this. I hope you guys watch my video later, which is going to go see the fireworks. And what are you doing, baby? I got a new dog. So if you guys, I never filmed this because I didn't have a channel back then. It was just Dreams Flaming. But now that I have a channel, yeah. We had to put my dog down. That means that she's now dead. She's up in heaven. But you always gotta know they're in a better place, and you always have them by your side. And then now I got the world's most nosy, loudest, annoying little dog. Renee. I call her Renee. Cause name it Renee. So why not call her Renee? And then so this is my mom. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye-bye!